was a little bit of pain, but you know what's fun about this? We made it specifically for the winterizing rig because we needed to offset. Our valve was too close. You couldn't get unions or ball valves plumb. There was just no room for them to slide on because the pipes are too close. But when we were building our test pool, which I have the ugliest swimming pool in the entire Phoenix metropolitan area, not related to presidential pools, I assure you, but it's a test pool, and it's an on-ground fiberglass pool. I bet it's got 3 miles of pump on it. It looks like a plate of spaghetti valve. It's like the worst thing you've ever seen in your life, but lots of valves, lots of different fittings in the walls of the pool and the floor of the pool, so I can play with different combinations. I use this thing 1,000 times.
All those offset
When you have one pipe coming in this way and you just like need to spin this and then because it's 245. This has been, I've used it in a lot of different things. Fun. We actually have had a few people buy it. Can I get a case of those? It looks like it's kind of fun. We never intended it for that purpose, but it's just